Hello children. Today we are going to know about one of the most important day of our nation, Republic Day. India is our nation. Every year India's Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January throughout the country. But what is a Republic Day? Where and how it's celebrated? Come, let's all see that. The word republic means the government formed by the public and the rules and regulations of the nation is equal to all. A republic country is not ruled by a king. A Republic Day is a day where our nation becomes republic. 3 years after our nation's independence, on 26 January 1950, India was announced as the Republic country and our own constitution was formed. Constitution means it's a set of rules and regulations that has to be followed by all the citizens of India, and the laws of the country is equal to all. It was written by Dr. Ambedkar, and on the same day of 26 January 1950, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was announced as the first president of India. In the memory of the nation becomes republic and the constitution is set, every year on 26 January it is celebrated as Republic Day all over the nation. It's one of our national holidays. Others are Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Now let's see how our nation's Republic Day is celebrated. Grand celebrations occurs all over the nation. In New Delhi, the capital of India, the celebrations will be held at Rajpath. The President and the Prime Minister of India tributes to the martyred soldiers by laying wreaths at the National War Memorial. Presidents of different countries were also invited. Thousands of people stood up as the national anthem was played and the tricolour flag was unfurled by the President. The world-famous National Parade will be held and the President takes the salute at the Grand Parade. The parade showcases the strength of India, the Army, the Air Force and the Navy. Cultural activities of different states are showcased to show the unity in diversity. Let's have a look of the parade and the cultural activities.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पा दिल लाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। Sala
Jets and fighter planes fly past the parade, symbolically salute the president. Each and every state of India are lined up to showcase their own culture in the parade. On Republic Day, awards are distributed to the meritorious, brave citizens of our country, and awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri were given to the citizens for their distinguished services. And that's how we celebrate our Republic Day. And the reason for all these celebrations is that to remember our national heroes and freedom fighters who suffered to give us a republic nation. Dear children, our ancestors gave us a glorious past. We need to create the future. This Republic Day, lead the change and become a real Indian. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day.